In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDFs opening in Chrome instead of Adobe Reader. If your PDFs keep launching in the browser when you double-click them, it usually means your computer's default app for the .pdf file type is set to Chrome. We're going to change that, so Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat opens your PDFs every time. Start by locating any PDF file saved on your computer. It doesn't matter which one, this change will affect all PDFs. Right-click the file to open the context menu. On Windows, you'll choose Properties. On a Mac, you'll choose Get Info. This opens a panel that shows details about the file, and most importantly, which app your system uses to open it. In that panel, look for the section labeled Open With. This section controls which app handles this kind of file by default. Click the Change button. On some systems, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that lets you pick a different application. From the list of available apps, select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC if you're using the free reader, or Adobe Acrobat DC if you have the full version. Both will open PDFs outside of Chrome. If you don't see Adobe in the list, that usually means it isn't installed or it needs to be updated. Install or update Adobe Reader, then come back to this window and try again. Once you've chosen Adobe, confirm your selection. On Windows, click OK and then apply to lock in the change. If you only see OK, that's fine. Click it to confirm. Some systems may prompt you for permission to make changes. Just approve it. After this, your computer will recognize Adobe as the default app for PDFs. To make sure everything worked, close the Properties or Get Info window and double-click any PDF on your computer. It should now open directly in Adobe rather than in Chrome. If it does, you're all set. If it doesn't, repeat the steps to ensure the change was saved. A quick tip. Keeping Adobe Reader up to date helps avoid opening glitches and improves performance with forms and searchable text. Also note that this change affects files you open from your computer. PDFs you click on while browsing the web may still open inside the browser depending on its settings. That's normal behavior and separate from your system's default app. And that's it. You've reset your default PDF app, so your documents open in Adobe Reader or Acrobat instead of Chrome.